Electric vehicle shoppers anticipate to hear two facts about the product they are opting for: its charging time and mile range. In today's episode, I reveal two rivals that almost dominate the electric vehicle territory: Tesla and Lucid Motors, with excess desirable features of mile range and charging time, and many other sophisticated state-of-the-art technology. Welcome to Auto Tech Talk. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on anything, right here on Auto Tech Talk. Lucid Motors is one of America's largest vehicle companies, founded by its CEO Peter Rawlinson, the former vice president of Tesla, and vice president Derek Jenkins, the former head designer of Mazda North America operations. Lucid started as a company that produced batteries and powertrains for other electric companies. Introducing you now to Lucid Motors' first production model, the Lucid Air. Its prototype was exhibited in December 2016. One of Lucid's features is their built-in charging system that they have named the Wonderbox. It consists of 900-volt plus architecture. It is the fastest EV charging system available. It is able to fill up to 300 miles of charge in 20 minutes. It is also compatible nearly with all public charging stations and has bidirectional capabilities that will soon be incorporated. The Wonderbox of the Air almost works practically in all stations. It can automatically recognize your Air, adjust incoming voltage, and boost voltage for a quickest charge possible. Lucid is partnered with Electrify America, which is the most extensive network of ultra-fast public charging nationwide. Electrify America has 600 stations with over 2,400 chargers across the US, and the company is still working on planning more. You have an option of either powering your car and waking up to a fully charged vehicle, or even better, power up your home during a power outage. The home charging station supports up to 19.2 kilowatts of bi-directional power flow, various forms of connectivity, and a streamlined installation process. With the Lucid app, one can determine when charging can commence and end, and monitor progress. The charging port of the vehicle is located on the front end and has a light bar that manages your charging status. The Lucid Air is ranked as a vehicle with the longest range. When fully charged, the Air has a maximum drive range of 520 miles. Its powertrain can deliver up to 1,111 horsepower, which enables the Air to reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds. The exterior design of the Lucid Air is pioneering. The designers have managed to come up with the most clean, seamless design ever. Features such as the autonomous driving sensors have been sculpted seamlessly. Its design is not only impressive in visual appearance, but it's also one of the most practical and aerodynamic vehicles, with a coefficient drag of 0.21. Designers of the Lucid Air mentioned that the shape of the vehicle's elegant shape is inspired by an aircraft design, and that they aim for pure, clean lines to create a phenomenally fluid form. The exterior lighting of the Air makes it distinct. The taillights create an uninterrupted impression of light and depth. The rear cabin space of the Air provides sufficient legroom for 3 adults. Also, there is an optional executive seating package that comes with reclining seats. Lucid Air provides ample space, almost similar to that of an SUV. There is sufficient cargo space in the trunk, as big as 456 liters, as well as 202 liters of space under the hood in the trunk. Lucid claims that the cargo space the Air offers is 4 times larger than other electric vehicles. When one is inside the Air, they get the privilege of the sky view, which is made possible by the seamless glass canopy incorporated with interlayers to protect occupants from heat and sunlight. According to Lucid Motors, the signature roof design of the Air is inspired by California's mid-century architecture, which blurs the line between car and nature. The interior also features a 34-inch infotainment area that displays in 5K resolution, and another infotainment screen for the driver or front passenger to access and control variables such as the cabin climate and seat temperatures. Lucid Air offers sophisticated upholstery options. Nappa from the world's only carbon-neutral producer of this full-grain natural leather, and a sophisticated Pure Luxe leather alternative, each with unique patterns for comfort and style. Featured textiles include a headliner of Alcantara and fabrics such as wool blend textile of sustainable alpaca and recycled yarn, and premium textile that uses an advanced air texturing process to transform 100% recycled yarn into a luxurious material. Finishings inside the air consist of harvested wood such as silvered eucalyptus that have driftwood-like markings, North American walnut with a linear grain and open pore finish, and carbon oak, a red oak with natural variations visible through its dark stain. With the voice recognition system inside the air, you can control your seat heaters, lighting, sunshades, navigation, and much more. The Air is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The base price for the Air range is $77,000, excluding the tax credit. And now its rival, the Tesla Model S, launched for the first time in January 2012 and won the Car of the Year award during the year of 2012 and 2013, including the 2013 Motor Trend Car of the Year, and became the first-year electric car to top the monthly car sales ranking of a country when it achieved first place in the Norwegian new car sales list in September 2013. Inside the Model S, your eyes are captured by the 17-inch cinematic display with 2200 by 1300 resolution, offering ultra-bright and true colors. The interior is minimalistic, driver-focused, no levers and stalks, no shifting is required. The high-efficiency particulate air filter makes the Model S to be the perfect car to drive in. Any odors, including ones from the external environment, are treated by this HEPA system and leaves the cabin purified. The Model S consists of ventilated front seats and a tri-zone temperature control. The rear of the Model S can accommodate 3 passengers. The rear seats are also integrated with a stowable armrest, storage, and wireless charging. The rear does offer sufficient legroom and headroom. Tesla makes sure that journeys are abundantly enjoyed regardless of any model that you're traveling in. Every Tesla has screens for gaming, which can be wirelessly controlled, hence allowing you to game from any seat. Multi-device Bluetooth, wireless, and USB-C charging for every passenger to fast charge your tablet, smartphone, and laptop. There is space available in the trunk and frunk. This allows you to take anything along with you to your favorite destinations. When seats are folded, the cargo space is sufficient to even fit a bike. Model S vehicles unite powertrain and battery technologies for the greatest performance, range, and efficiency. This state-of-the-art technology allows fast charging and gives more power and endurance to your car in all conditions. The Model S is an all-wheel drive vehicle. It can reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds with 670 horsepower and has a maximum driving range of 405 miles. The upper trim model is the Model S Plaid. The Plaid model is a tri-motor all-wheel drive platform with torque vectoring and features 3 independent motors, each with a carbon-sleeved rotor that maintains peak power output all the way to the maximum speed. The Plaid model can reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.99 seconds with a peak power of 1,020 horsepower. In terms of takeoff, this makes the Model S faster than the Bugatti Chiron and many other Spyders and luxury sports coupes. The maximum driving range of the Tesla Model S Plaid is 396 miles. The coefficient drag of Tesla is similar to that of the Lucid Air. It's also recorded to be 0.208, basically 0.21 when rounded off. The Model S, without a doubt, is built for speed. That speed character is aided by its wider body and tuned chassis, and these elements help cornering to be a breeze. The exterior design of the Model S is seamless and aerodynamic. The Model S is built with a high-strength architecture and floor-mounted battery pack for incredible occupant protection and low rollover risk. For safety driving, the Model S comes equipped with a 360-degree camera view, ultrasonic sensors that function from a 250-meter range to detect cars and help avoid potential collisions, and assists with parking. Autopilot in every Tesla model is there to help you to partially disengage from driving by taking over tasks such as steering, accelerating, and braking within the lane the car is moving in. The Lucid Air is not the only competitor of the Model S, of course. There is the Audi e-tron and the Porsche Taycan, which are new on the market. But Tesla's performance, comfort, superior range, and available semi-autonomous driving technology features make customers continue to run to Tesla. Its base long-range model has a maximum driving range of 412 miles per charge. Electric motors are assigned to each axle, making the Model S an all-wheel drive no matter which version you opt for. The standard Model S has proven itself an agile sports sedan with well-controlled body motions and direct steering. There are two different settings that allow the driver to choose heavy or light steering effort, but neither of them enable feedback from the road. The battery pack under the floor yields a low center of gravity and evenly distributed weight from the front to the rear. Inside the 26 cubic foot cargo space trunk, the Tesla Model S allows 8 carry-on suitcases without folding down the rear seats. Some drive safety features include automated emergency braking, standard lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control with semi-autonomous driving mode. The starting price of the Model S is $96,440. With the Lucid Air, you get a driving mileage of 520 miles. With the upper trim model of the Tesla, you receive 412 miles of drive range. When coming to luxury, both Model S and the Air are impressive, but the Air has an upcoming upper trim model that offers a jet-style luxury setup on the rear, with reclining seats, though it will come at an extra cost. Comparing prices, charging time, and maximum driving range, the Lucid Air is more convincing with its $18,000 lesser price. And it's a wrap. Share your thoughts on the comments down below. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on anything right here on Auto Tech Talk.